Hey everyone, so we are back with our final unboxing video, and this, I don't have very many words for this one. This means that TEAMSUM has made it into top 6. I'm speechless, and I am just, yet again, I am so thankful for everyone's support, your votes, your shares, just everything. I've got so much love and support from the community. It's been just pure craziness. Just again, a huge thank you. Because of you, we have made it into top 6, and that means I am going to LA for 2 weeks where I will film my last challenge video. Basically what will happen is we will go to LA, we'll get to collaborate with the NYX professional makeup team, the producers, the videographers, their artists, lighting, all that kind of cool stuff. We will make the video of our dreams and will come to life. There will be a live event August 25th, where if you're in LA or if you're kind of close, you can go there, you can buy tickets. I will put the link in the description where you can purchase the tickets and you can come to the event, and then for the first time that night live, they will show our final video, and I believe there's going to be a period where it's going to open and you can cast votes. So I will send out lots more information when I find out all the details, but I will need TEAMSUM one last time for this very last round. And again, like I said, I'll put all the links, I'll have all the posts, I'll make everything available once I personally know all the finishing touches as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into these 2 boxes. Oh, here we go. Hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors. Yes, so sponsors again, shout out Target, Redken, Vici, Clarisonic, Kitsch, Powder Room D, ooh, Essie, UB, and Audio Network. Let's get into it! Ooh. Okay, so we got another bag from Redken. Let's see what we got. Oh, they're getting prepared because we're traveling. Oh, how cute! And here's a little cute card here from Redken. Okay, so here are the products here from Redken. So they gave us some cute little travel size items. We have shampoo, conditioner, a spray that you put on your hair before you blow dry it, and then some styling products. Thank you very much, Redken. Okay, what's next? What is this? It says the future of beauty is coming. This August, you will be one of the first to see and experience the future of beauty from Clarisonic. Ooh. Your talent, creativity, and hard work has earned you a spot in the top 6 of the 2018 NYX Face Awards and an exclusive first look at the newest skin solution from Clarisonic. We can't wait to see you in LA. XOX Clarisonic! That's awesome, guys. So I think over the course of the 2 weeks, actually, we get to go to a bunch of like beauty events and, you know, kind of meet people. So this is an invitation from Clarisonic. It looks like we might, you know, maybe go to one of their shops or an event from them and kind of see what their new products are. So that's super cool. Thank you, Clarisonic. So this here is from Target. So this here, it's by the brand called Heyday, and basically this kind of looks like a big, almost kind of looked like a pillow to me, but it's a wireless speaker, so you can connect it to like your speakers or your music. So it looks just like this. It has these nice gold play buttons on the bottom, and let's see if I can get it out here. It's really sleek, so it just looks kind of like, to me it just looks like a pink little like pillow. It's very cute. Thank you very much, Target. Oh gosh, I'm just way too excited for this. I'm already way too excited for LA, so this is just the icing on the cake. Ooh, these are cute. This is another, this is from Audio Network, so they gave us a bag in top 30. This one says rewind, playback. Ooh. Okay, I hope I'm saying this right. This is Essie, I believe. This is the brand. Oh, nail polish. Okay, and then these are the nail polishes here from Essie. And then there's a pink one, and again, another one that has like some little sheer glitter in it. And then we have these last 2 here. Thank you very much, Essie. What? Oh, yes! This is from Kitsch, and I know exactly what this is. Oh, guys, I love hats. See, Kitsch, I got your hair clipping right now, so I need to, let me take that out and let's put the hat on. I need a ponytail. Ooh. Nice, I like it. So this is the cute hat from Kitsch here. It's a nice little kind of grayish worn black one, and then it has love on the side. So, and then Kitsch also gave us, this is called, it's called a roundie, and I'll show you right now what it is. That name is cute, hey, roundie? Look at it. Ooh, a pink flamingo. This looks so cute. This is from the company called Yobi. Okay, this next item here is from Yobi or Yubi, and they sent us like the lunch pail and all the little travel size kits that we can put our makeup in. They gave us this cute little pineapple keychain. They gave this nice journal here, which I'll definitely be using. This is a little velvet coin purse that it has a little zipper there, and you can carry change in or you can put makeup in there. And then we have a 3-piece zip pouch set. So this one is kind of like plastic, and then these ones, it's just material here. And then this one is a nice soft velvet. And this here is a big kind of, it almost looks like a Ziploc bag kind of, but it's plastic, and it has all the sparkles on it, and it's pretty large, so you could carry, definitely I'll probably use this to put, you know, some makeup in when I travel. And also they gave us this really cute insulated lunch bag, so it has that cute little flamingo on it. Everything is kind of like pink and it has the little flamingos here. I really like that. And it looks just like this on the inside. This is very, very nice. The last little package here. Aww, and again, we got Vichy, more Vichy. This is like the 4th box or something. My mom's clapping, she loves it. And then here we go from Vichy. So we have, again, the Mineral 89 kit. And I will show you again what's inside of it. We have the 3-in-1 cleanser, the Mineral 89 booster, the cleansing wipes, and then the thermal spray, which I literally use all the time, and I think maybe I have 1 can left, so this is nice. I definitely use all of these products, and I'll probably be going through them pretty fast. Okay, and the very last package here in the first box, I think it's a wig. Yes, it is. That's nice. Look at this nice wig. These wigs are so nice, and you can actually, like, you can style these too and stuff. Thank you very much, Powder D Room. Alright, now we are going on to box number 2. Thank you very much to all the sponsors again. Okay, so they have all the makeup again, it is labeled into these little boxes here. So I'll open it here, and then I'll zoom in and I'll show you the goodies. So this is the box with all the lip stuff here. So we got a whole bunch of these lipsticks. It is called Striptease. They're a little bit of like a lip gloss. And then basically we got every color here of the Suede Matte Lipstick. Okay, so this next box is face. So they gave us 3 of these blotting powders. They also gave us a bunch of these color correcting liquid primers. We have some matte finishing spray, some dewy spray, and then a bunch of these. This is called foil play, so it's kind of like some pigmented eyeshadow and some little glitter there. And the next box we have eyes. So we got more of the Epic liners, which are really, really nice because I use these a lot in all of my looks. This is a huge makeup palette. I think this is fairly new. There's 40 colors in here. We got more eyelashes. We have this right here. It's called a powdered eyeliner. And then they gave us more mascara. I'm really excited about the mascara. It's Worth a Hype mascara, but this time there's some colors. So there's blue, there's a green one, purple, and then just a regular one. And then also here, this is a nice kind of like pink sparkly eyeshadow. Hey, you just in time.
For what?
You want to come be in the video?
Sure.
Nice, well, okay. What's this? Okay. Oh, tool. It was the tools box. And for the tools, they gave us some more sponges, some wipes, and also we have a little sponge here. And then also we have the little pouch here that you can store your makeup, and this nice long one here. It opens up just like that, and you can put all of your brushes in it.
Whoa, specialty! Ooh! So there's this face masks. This one's called Cleansing Milk, and this one's called Cleansing Salt Scrub.
In the specialty box, we got some cleansers. So we have a cleansing milk and a cleansing salt scrub. We got the micellar water here that kind of takes off your makeup, some cleansing oil, and some cleansing balm. Okay everyone, so that is the end of the top 6 video. This is the final video of opening any packages because that's it. Team Sum has got to the very end and you're probably gonna take his hat. I want it. That's it guys, so take care and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye! Team Sum, Team Sum.
Tippy! Okay, you get stumbled.
Do it!
I am! Let me know in the comments below if you think we're twins or not.